Alright, back to the grind. I have a older Toyota Camry here. This one got tapped in this right front corner. It's going to be getting a new fender, new bumper cover, new headlight. I have to replace some of the structure in here. This is all crushed right here. So I have that piece, and there's a couple brackets that go on it. This one goes like this, and this one bolts onto that. That's where the fender mounts up. I'll fit that up once I get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this one apart and getting this new stuff fit up. So I have this piece all clamped in place. This was a very minor hit, so I'm going to do some quick checks and make sure it's sitting right where it's supposed to. I'm basically just checking to make sure this isn't moved in. Looks like it's perfect. Then I have this fender bracket that goes right here. I'm going to go ahead and pop some holes in it for plug welds, and then I'll fit the fender and headlight and get everything fit up to this bracket. Then once I get everything fit up, I'll be able to get all of this welded on. Now before I could fit up the headlight, the edge of this hood is all bent in. So I'm going to straighten this out, get the hood straightened out so I can fit the headlight up, and I'll check the gap between the hood and the headlight and get all of that sitting correctly. Then I'll be able to get that welded on. So I have this headlight all fit up now. Everything's lining up very nicely. My gaps between the headlights and the hood are both even. My hood to fender gap looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this headlight and fender back off and get all that structure welded in. So I had our painters come over and they went ahead and painted all this area. So I'm putting it all back together, and I have some 3M cavity wax here, and this sprays in a 360-degree pattern, and I'm going to hose it inside of here, and it just coats. It gets in the seams and coats any bare metal inside of there. You want to put this anytime you do any type of repair like this. You want to make sure you hose this stuff inside of there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the wheel back on and take this one on over to our paint department.